Hi, if you're trying to connect your phone to a soundbar with only an optical port, you may already know that you'll probably need an analog to digital converter. This video, however, is here to get you connected without it if you have a TV with the necessary ports. Because not only do I want you to have tutorials short and sweet, we all want to get the most out of what we already have. Real quick, let's make sure that we have the same goal here. You want to play your phone with an aux port on your soundbar without an aux port. All you see is an optical port, which clearly your phone does not have. So great, now we're stuck with a perfectly good speaker that won't let us connect our phone to it. Now this is the part where I would recommend to get a converter to make them connect. But since we're trying to avoid getting one of those, we'll bring in our TV instead to see if that can serve as our connecting link. I'm assuming your soundbar is already plugged into your TV. If so, great, leave it that way. Step 1, done. As you know, anything that plays on your TV is going to be coming out through your soundbar. So with that, let's make your TV play your phone's music. How do we do that? Well, naturally, we'll want to connect our phone to our TV. But this is what it all comes down to. Does your TV have one of the following ports? RCA in? It could be labeled AV, component, even DVI. As long as it's marked in and red and white as shown here, you should be good to go. The other option is aux, which could be labeled audio in, PC, DVI, or even RGB. Now, why are we even dealing with computers here? The intention is that it's going to get your computer's audio to play through your TV, and hey, your phone is essentially it is a computer. Well, the point is that as long as your phone has an aux port, you can connect it to your TV's aux in port. Aux line out or headphones are similar ports, but those are not going to help us in this case, since those are made to send the TV's audio signals out to speakers or headphones. Here's an example of a TV receiving the audio in from an external device, and here's another example of a TV giving audio out to external speakers. Okay, I really hope you did find one of those two on your TV. If so, we can continue by plugging into either one of those ports on our TV. You probably already have an aux cable, so if you do, go ahead and use that to plug into your TV's aux. If you're going to go in through your TV's RCA ports, well, you can use one of these RCA to aux cables. I'll leave a link in the description to one in case you don't have one yet. So the next step is acknowledging which port did you plug into, because you're going to have to change your TV's output setting to that specific source. Once your TV's input is set to the connected port, you should already be able to hear your phone through your soundbar. Now, if you're playing music but still don't hear anything coming out through your external speaker, go down this checklist with me. 1. The soundbar speaker is on with the volume up. Also, you may need to turn your phone's volume up. 3 is putting up your TV's volume if you can. And 4, finally, is that your TV's audio menus are set to external speakers or something similar. And yeah, if you haven't noticed by now, you are going to have to leave your TV on to do this, because it's serving as your converter, and yeah, a huge one. But if you want to say, okay, I'll go ahead and just get the converter instead, well, you can go ahead and check out this video if you want to learn a little bit about it before making your purchase. Now, if you want to give back and say thanks by supporting me, well, I'd appreciate it. YouTube has this convenient super thanks button, or you can be the first to be a part of my Patreon. Either way, I hope you learned some things and save some money. See ya.